Hi everyone, in this session I am going to explain about two surgical procedures on the thyroid gland, that is excision procedures. So first procedure is biopsy thyroid and second is excision of cyst or adenoma of thyroid. So what is the CPT code and what exactly the physician will perform in these procedures, now we will see. So the CPT code for biopsy thyroid percutaneous core needle is 60100. So why the physician will do biopsy thyroid? So a patient who is having nodule like this in the thyroid gland, so the physician wants to know whether it is a malignant or non-malignant, that is benign or malignant. So in order to know whether it is cancer or non-cancerous nodule, the physician will perform the biopsy of these particular nodules in the thyroid region. So they will send these nodule for the diagnostic purpose. So for the diagnostic purpose, the physician will perform the biopsy procedure. So how he will perform? So the physician will take a core needle. See, this is the core needle. So they will insert percutaneously like this with the help of the needle, and they will collect the sample into this needle and send to the pathological investigation. Why they will send for the investigation? To know whether it is malignant or benign. So they will send for the pathological investigation. So in this way the physician will perform this procedure. So in the medical report, if you see, biopsy thyroid is performed by the percutaneous core needle method. So we have to bill 60100. So in the CPC exam also, if biopsy thyroid is performed by percutaneous core needle method, so we have to bill 60100 CPT code. Now we will see another excision procedure of thyroid gland, that is excision of cyst or adenoma of thyroid or transection of isthmus. So the CPT code for this procedure is 60200. What is cyst? Cyst is nothing but is a fluid filled content, and adenoma is blood filled growth. So it is formed in the thyroid region. Isthmus is, it's a tissue which joins the right and left side of the thyroid lobes. So it's a tissue which joins the right side and left side of the thyroid nodes. So whenever the cyst or adenoma or isthmus is formed in the thyroid region, it causes some difficulties like breathing problem, and also it leads to cancer cells also. It leads to cancer also. So in order to remove that, the physician will perform this procedure, that is a excision. So if any cyst or adenoma or isthmus is formed in the thyroid region, so the physician will perform this procedure. This is a healthy thyroid and this is the cyst or adenoma, like that. If anything is formed, he will perform this procedure. So what exactly the physician will perform in this procedure is, he will incise, the provider will incise this particular region wherever the cyst or adenoma is there. He will incise with the help of the scalpel, and then he will remove that particular cyst or adenoma from that location, and then the bleeding is controlled, and finally he will close with the sutures. So in this way he will perform this procedure. So simple, the physician will excise, remove the cyst or adenoma of that particular thyroid region. So in the medical report, if we see this procedure performed by the physician to a patient who is having cyst or adenoma or isthmus in this thyroid region, so we have to quote 60200. If biopsy thyroid is performed by this method, percutaneous core needle method, so we have to bill 60100. So these two are the excision procedures of the thyroid gland. So if you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.